Samba School is a music collective. We are, I suppose, promoting the culture of Brazil, the carnival culture of Brazil, and we have been going here in Dublin since 1994. This evening we hosted an open workshop as part of the Dublin Learning City initiative. It's a great opportunity, I suppose, to attract new people who might be interested in learning some rhythms and a little bit about Brazilian culture. The festival, I suppose, allowed us a different channel to advertise what we do. We have open sessions here all year round, but the festival definitely brought some new people across our bows, which is absolutely fantastic.
Well, it was kind of like an open door, I guess, to encourage people to try different groups in and around Dublin, but here specifically we have an open door policy anyway, so it was kind of like a bigger version of our regular Wednesday rehearsals. Obviously, because there was more beginners here tonight, we did kind of break things down a little bit more and took it kind of step by step. Usually, if a newcomer comes in the door, they're just kind of thrown into the deep end. There would always be somebody to help them, so that's kind of what happened tonight.
I just wanted to join it. It's so cheerful, so well organized, and the people are so warm, and it's so common. So you need to be present, and you get into the mood. It's so cathartic, and it's so welcoming. Everyone is relating, so you can swap the instruments, and yeah, it's greatly directed and conducted, and so it's really wonderful.
The social side of things is very important here as well. I made some really good friends who I've known all the time I've been in Dublin, and like lifelong friends as well. People who've left the band as well, like we still get together. So there's the musical side of it and the social side of it, and we do lots of parades around Dublin, around Ireland.
Dublin Learning City would very much be in touch with our own beliefs around lifelong learning. You know, that it's never too late to take up a new hobby or to develop a new skill. I didn't play music myself until I was 25 years of age, so I discovered it quite late. So I suppose I'm always thinking there must be so many people out there that have never tried things that might change their lives, you know.